Hello, this is Miss Rowe, and I'm here to share my bonus lesson with you for this week. So we're going to create some land art. So these are your learning targets for this project. And a reminder, you don't have to do this project, but it's a fun way to get outside and create some art this week. So I hope you try it. So these will be your targets if you decide to do it. I can learn about land art. I can learn about several famous artists who create land art, and I can create my own land art sculpture using natural materials. So this is one of the most famous pieces of land art. It's by Robert Smithson, and it's called Spiral Jetty. Spiral Jetty was built in 1970 in Utah's Great Salt Lake, and it used 7,000 tons of earth. And it is still there today. I can't imagine what it looks like in person, but I bet it's pretty incredible. Jim Denovan creates giant designs in sand by dragging a stick while he walks. I wonder how he creates those circles so well. And here's another piece of his art. Andy Goldsworthy is a well-known British land artist who lives and works in Scotland. And his sculptures are created out of many different natural materials. And the rest of the slideshow is really based off of his work. It's not about art, he says. It's just about life and the need to understand that a lot of things in life do not last. Many of his sculptures do not last for long. Some of them are even made out of ice. So there's one right there, made out of leaves, just in a space in the ground in the woods. He often uses different colors of leaves to create designs. So I'm guessing he probably collects the leaves and arranges them by color and value. Remember, that's how light or dark a color is, if I've taught you that. And then he'll arrange it based on those colors. So there's one at the base of a tree that looks really cool, like it's glowing. Here's a really small one where he does that, creating a little circle in the leaves. So these can be any size, from small to very large. He likes to work with rock as well. And right now he's 63 years old, and he also creates large pieces of art for galleries and sculpture parks, so he doesn't always work by himself outdoors. And for these pieces, he has to collaborate, which means work together with teams of people to create his bigger artworks. So he likes to create lots of spheres and natural forms like eggs. And here's an egg shape that he made out of stone. Rivers and Tides is a video of his solo work, and this is a short clip from the film. I'm going to play a very short piece from it. I had trouble last time I tried this because the audio, the sound will echo for you. So I'm sorry it makes a little bit of an echoey noise. That's why I'm just playing a very short part of it. But you can go back to the slideshow to watch this whole little clip.
Here is fantastic.
When I make a work, I often take it to the very edge of its collapse. And that's a very beautiful balance.
So if you'd like to check that out, that's called Rivers and Tides. So you can create your own land art from anything outdoors. This is a really simple piece featuring just a few leaves. You can create one from sticks and rocks like this one. Leaves and sticks, these are just 3 sticks pushed into the ground, and then the leaves are pushed through the sticks. And I think it looks really beautiful with the light shining through. You can create land art out of anything you can find. So here's a fun piece of land art by Mr. Eller, the art teacher at North Berwick. He's having his students do some of this week as well. And his family in North Berwick created this spiral out of raked up sticks and leaves when they were doing yard work. So the possibilities are endless, and you could even help your family out with some yard work while you create your land art. I cut down some wisteria vines while doing some work this past weekend in my yard. I made 7 rings of different sizes and created this. I had a lot of fun making my land art, and I hope to make more. I hope you can get outside sometime this week and make some of your own. If you do, please take a photo and share it with me. Have fun, enjoy, and take care. See you next week.